Welcome to my YouTube channel. On this video, I am going to show you how you can start, how you can download Hamster Kombat and start mining. So in case you're just starting and you don't know the way forward, just watch this video. I am going to show you everything you need to know. Before we proceed, kindly like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So now let's proceed. First of all, you have to go to the Play Store or App Store. So I have Play Store here on my phone. You log into your Play Store. Now on the Play Store, now this is what you're going to know. Hamster Combat is not on Play Store. This is not something you can download. Now let me show you something. Now if you click Hamster on Play Store, this is what you're going to get. Let's see, Hamster Combat. Now once you search for it, this is what you're going to get. Coin Master, Hamster Combat. Now this Hamster Combat you're seeing here is not the real Hamster Combat, so please do not download it. If not, you might get scammed. So do not download this Hamster Combat. Now what you need to do is to download Telegram if you do not have one, but if you have Telegram, just proceed to it. You just download the Telegram app. Now I already have the Telegram app. So what I'll just have to do is log into it. But if you do not have Telegram, just download it immediately. So after downloading the Telegram app, you're going to create an account, then log in. Now I'm on the Telegram app. So this is what you're going to do. On the Telegram app, head over to the search tab located at the top of the app. Then type Hamster Combat on the search tab. Now immediately you type Hamster Combat on the search tab, you're going to see Hamster Combat there located at the top of the search. So just click on it. Now on the platform, you're going to see start or restart. So I'm already on the platform, so what I will see is restart. But if you're just starting out, you will see start. So just click on the start, and then you can start playing. Now after clicking on the start, you see where they say play in one click, or you can just click play at the downside of the platform. So now let's start play in one click. And now, ladies and gentlemen, we are already on the platform. So this is how you can access Hamster Combat. It's not something you will download. What you just have to download is the Telegram, so that you can log in to the platform. So that is it. So now I am on the platform already now. So this is how you access Hamster Combat and you can start mining. So this is how you play it. So in case you don't know, now you know, please share this video for others that do not know about how to go about this. So please kindly share the video so that it will get to everyone, and do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel because more videos will be coming out soon. Thank you.